Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Let's see what are we going to do here. You have to get this cucumber now, get the slices cut in this manner, and then what you need to do, you have to just arrange them up in this pattern. Isn't it cool? Now you have to arrange the slices in this way and then just decorate your platter in this manner. Further, let's see what are we going to do. You have to get them done in this manner. Now on this fruit, this dragon fruit, you have to get the scoops cut in this manner and arrange them up in this pattern and in this layer. Proceeding in this manner, you have to get a tomato, slice them up in this manner. Further, you have to get these things sliced like this and then get them arranged in this form. Further, what you need to do, you have to just round them, make it look like this and then arrange it on the platter in this manner. Isn't it cool? Now here you have to get the cuts like this, arrange the slices in this form and then get your picture done in this manner. Further, here you have to get the big incisions in this manner and then arrange the platter in this way. Isn't it cool? Proceeding in this manner, what are we up to? You have to get these slices and then get them cut in this manner, beautifully arrange them up in this platter. Now here you have to get these slices done in a semicircular pattern and now you have to arrange them up in this way. Isn't it cool? Further, let's see what are we up to. Again, you have to get the slices done in this form and then you need to arrange them up in this pattern. Isn't it cool? Now here again you have to get this kiwi fruit, get them done in this manner. You have to get the slices cut like this and then what are we up to? You have to get the scoops and further you have to arrange them up in this pattern. Isn't it gonna look superb? Now let's have a look what I'm going to do. You have to arrange the tomato slices in this form and then arrange them in this pattern. Isn't it gonna look super cool and amazing? Now you have to get the slices, get them done in this form and further here you have to get the layers like this, arrange them up in this pattern and then get them beautifully done like this. Isn't it cool? Keep on proceeding. Now let's see what are we going to do here. You have to get the slices, arrange them up in this pattern and further you have to get them arranged like this. This is gonna look absolutely beautiful. Now here again you have to get the cuts like this, arrange them in this pattern, get them beautifully done and yes, this is gonna look absolutely amazing. Arrange them up like this and this will just make it even more amazing and beautiful. Isn't it cool? I hope guys you have enjoyed watching our video. Thank you so much for giving your precious time.